There you go. That's Biddle. This is Trouble. I know he's so big now. Look at him. You're so big. Look at you. I'd show you, babe, but she'll kill me. Oh my god, Tiny's going in the box. How cute. I'm gonna try to turn it. Ooh. Timid, where are you? There you are. Oh, you're so big now. Oh my gosh. Look at how long you are. Look at how handsome you are. You look just like your dad. But it's okay. You're cute. Oh, there's like fucking hair flying all up on this room. Like, y'all are hairy motherfuckers. What are you doing, Timid? Tiny loves his box. You chillin', Tiny? You like your box? Oh, Trouble about to go in there and be like, excuse me. Oh my god. Oh, Trouble, that's mean. I need a bigger box. Do you see this? Y'all are too cute. Alright, bye guys.